Hi all, welcome to my new video series, 2-Minute Tuesday Franchise Seeker Tips. I'll be sharing a quick tip that I'd share with someone close to me when they start looking at businesses or franchise opportunities. This is going to be real life practical stuff. We're going to save the heavy details for a one-on-one call or just download one of my ebooks. These are going to be quick, but I'm from the Midwest, so I talk pretty fast. We should be able to get it all in less than 2 minutes. All right, if you have questions, of course, reach out. Otherwise, here we go. Hi all. Wow, what a week, right? What a time that we're living in. I know this 2-minute tip is a little bit late this week, but I really wanted to put my thoughts together and give you something that was going to be very current with the times. And I think the most important thing to remember right now is that if you're working with me or any other franchise consultant, remember at this what stage you're at. If you haven't started looking at brands yet, or if you just started engaging with a consultant to help you begin thinking about owning your own business, you are in education mode. You're not in buying mode. Right now, use this extra time that you have to become educated, to dive into a couple of brands that caught your attention. And yes, you're probably going to have some different questions. All of a sudden, recession resistance is going to become the buzzword again for a long time. And that's an important strategy to keep in mind. But at this time, the best advice I can give you is you may be pumping the brakes, but don't slam on them. Keep learning, learn about this industry, help us educate you about the industry, about the franchises. A great question is, of the franchises that I'm interested in, how are they paying attention to this? How are they supporting their franchisees? What are they doing to help keep the foundation stable as we go through this? These are great questions. It's still a great time to be learning and being educated on franchising. This doesn't mean slam on the brakes. It just means pump them a little bit, but keep on learning, keep on moving. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I am here. I'm answering a lot of questions. I'm directing people to attorneys and franchise funding, and the SBA is giving us all this money. So it's actually, there's a lot of good happening as well. Stay the course, keep learning. We're all in this together.